Hi, guys, and welcome to the Compass Learning Training for Teachers. This screencast will show you how to create classes, add students, subscribe and assign material, as well as track student progress. So, throughout this screencast, feel free to pause, rewind, fast forward, and just or basically take notes and email them to me if you need any additional support or if there's something in this training that didn't answer any of your questions. So let's go ahead and get started. So the website is the Learning Odyssey. And when you get to this site here, you're going to enter your username, your password, and you want to make sure that the school associated with not just the school or the site that you're actually working out of, but the school that's going to access the actual material. So, for example, the majority of everyone at Bladensburg will have the school code Bladensburg. But if you are a student that's taking health, your school is going to be High Point High School. And that will be the school code because Bladensburg doesn't have a health license. However, everyone, as I said, for the most part, will be operating under Bladensburg School Code. So you'll enter your username and your password. And you will see your dashboard. Now, everyone's dashboard is going to look different. The biggest thing that I want you to notice about your dashboard is that it is going to give you the current student status of your students. And it's also going to give you an idea of where your classes are collectively. So depending on how many classes you have, your pie chart here will change. However, I do not want you to use these results here because they don't track real-time data. So you're not going to really work or operate mainly from your dashboard. So don't even worry about this page here. To create a class, you're going to go to My Students, and you're going to go to New, and you're going to select Class. You're going to enter the name of the class that you're interested in. And since you've already logged in under your account, you're automatically going to be assigned the teacher. However, if you're interested in adding a co-teacher or another teacher to access your student grades or their progress as a whole, you can just add their name and it will add them as the teacher. However, because it's under your account, you are still the main instructor for this particular course. You don't have to worry about grade level or subject, but if you would like to, it's fine. You can select high school and the subject is chemistry. You'll save that. And now you have your chemistry class. So you're going to go to your chemistry class, and if you want to add students to that class, you're going to click on student. Now you can enter the names of the student that you would like to enter. However, all of Bladensburg students are already uploaded into the program. So you're just going to go here to search students and you can enter the last name of a particular student. And all of the students that have that last name are going to come up. So let's just add a couple kids to your chemistry class. So you'll just select whichever students that you're interested in. And once you select those students, you're going to go to Actions. You're going to add to class, and you're going to add them to the class that you've selected. So in this case, the class that we just selected, the teacher is Tamara Cease, the co-teacher is April Barnes. So you'll click that class, and now those students are added into your chemistry class. There they are. So now you want to assign them work. So what you'll do is you're going to go to Courses and Assignments. You're going to click on Courses. You're going to go to District Courses, and you're going to find the actual class that you want to operate from. Now, one thing that we do in the county is we have different courses that are named different things for different reasons. So for example, the class that we've selected to work from is chemistry. So this right here is the chemistry class for the fall or whichever semester that you're going to work from. However, we like to use NCAA classes. The reason why we do that is because NCAA doesn't allow students to test out of material, and Compass Learning allows students to do that. So because it's a recovery program, students are able to accelerate their track if they master certain skills within their course. However, the NCAA program doesn't recognize that. So we've created NCAA classes. So with the NCAA class, for any course that you selected, you always just want to be on the safe side and subscribe to an NCAA course. So in this case, we have chemistry. So you would go on over to these blue icons, and when you click on this Wi-Fi looking thingamajiggy, when you click on that, up at the top, it'll let you know that you've successfully subscribed to the course. Now, the majority of the full year courses are broken up into semesters. So right now we've subscribed to semester 1. Let's go ahead and subscribe to semester 2. Then you're going to go over to subscribe by me, and you're going to click right there. And now you're able to see all of the different classes that you're subscribed to. So whether you are a science teacher and you need to obtain chemistry or biology or earth space science, the classes that you subscribe to will appear here. You're going to click on the class, and there's a couple things that you can do once you click on this class. You're able to see the details of that particular course. In this case, it's going to be semester 1 of chemistry. And now you're able to see the different assignments. Now, if you want to assign the entire semester to your students, you can click on Assign All. You're going to find your class with your students. Here's our chemistry class that we have right here. You're going to click that icon, and you're going to click Finish. And once you select Finish, the entire semester is now assigned to the students within that class. If you just want to assign all to one student, you just click on one student. However, if you want to just give everyone the same amount of work all at one time, you click on the whole class, and it'll assign all of the material to the students within that class. However, if you want to assign unit by unit, you click on one unit at a time and you assign it. So in this case, let's say that I just want to assign the pre-test and the lessons that correspond with unit 1 just to the students first. That's the only thing I want them to have. You'll follow the same process and procedure, and the only thing they'll be able to access is unit 1. You'll click Finish, and that material will be subscribed to them. So let's click Finish for unit 1. And let's assign the post-test for unit 1 as well. We'll select Finish, and you'll get a confirmation page, and you'll click Close. So now the students within that class now have chemistry, the first unit of chemistry. If you click on this blue gray book here, you're able to see the work that's been assigned to your students. The course grade will appear here, and the percentage of what you've assigned them will appear here as well. Once you click on their individual names, you're able to pull up their grade book. And from their grade book, you're able to see how many assignments they've completed thus far, the completion of those assignments, and over here in this section will be a white percentage grade, and that will be their current grade. Their grade book, you're able to do a series of things. You'll be able to see the date that they complete a particular assignment. You'll be able to see the status of their assignments, if they've started, if they've completed, as well as seeing the total score in which they've earned. For assignment grades, once they begin to complete assignments, they'll be illustrated right here. You can also manually enter grades. So if Miss Nakaya Best is participating in a certain interactive program in Compass Learning and she doesn't do too well on a particular skill, however, you know that you're able to instruct her in a way that will help her understand that particular skill and give her strategies to assist along the journey. Once her grade appears in this area, you're able to click on that grade and manually change it. Whether you give her an assignment, a project, an essay, you're able to manually change the grade of that particular student. And for the most part, that's it. Let me give you a quick glimpse of some classes of students who are actually completing some work so you can just kind of get a feel. So this is a geometry class here, and these are some students enrolled in that geometry class. So let's see what their progress is. So we'll go back to courses and assignments. We'll click on courses. We will click on subscribe by me. And like we said, these are the different classes that we're subscribed to. So let's take a look at a geometry student from this grade book here. This is Miss Angel Woodley. Now, Angel has completed 97% of semester 1 of geometry. Her current grade is a 58%. This button here, calculate, will zero out the remaining assignments within the 3% that she hasn't completed yet, and it will give her her final grade. So if the course ended today, she will have earned a 58. At the end of your program, if students have not completed that particular semester or year course, click calculate so that you can zero out those assignments and see the grade that they've earned. When you click on Angel Woodley's name, you're able to pull up her grade book. And as I shared, these are the different statuses of these assignments. So some have been completed. Others, it took her 2 attempts to complete. You're able to see the date in which she completed them, as well as the grades that she earned. Now, as I shared, in manually entering a grade, you can do that from up here, manually entered grades of grades that you've entered. Or when you click on her name, you can click this pencil and change her grade there. Also, you can rearrange the gradebook type. It can organize itself based on lesson quizzes, activity quizzes, and things of that nature, as well as by status. You're able to print student grade books. If you're interested, you can receive a print view of those. But that is it for the teacher training portion. If there's anything else that you need, feel free to email me at your earliest convenience. Let me know if there's anything else I can do to assist. If you need help on pulling reports, be sure to view the report tutorial. And I hope this has been informative. I look forward to working with you. Best of luck. Have a great year.